In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TikTok Ads Manager efficiently and effectively. Whether you're running ads on TikTok already or planning to, knowing how to reach out for support is crucial for troubleshooting and optimizing your campaigns. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First off, make your way to the TikTok Ads homepage. This is your gateway to all things advertising on TikTok, including campaign management, analytics, and yes, support. Simply type ads.tiktok.com into your browser and hit enter. Upon arriving at the site, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to a login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your TikTok Ads account. If you've been managing ads on TikTok, you'll have these details at your fingertips. Otherwise, you might need to set up an account first. After inputting your credentials, click on the login button to access your account. But wait, you're not quite done yet. To ensure the security of your account, TikTok will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is a straightforward process where you typically identify images or type characters you see on the screen. Once done, click Confirm to continue. Following the verification, you might be required to type in a code sent to your email. This step is part of TikTok's two-factor authentication process, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Check your inbox for the code, enter it, and proceed to the next step. Now, here's where it gets more specific to contacting support. Look for a question mark icon, usually found on the dashboard or in the menu of your TikTok Ads Manager. This icon signifies help or support. Once you find and click on it, you'll see various support options. From the options available, click on Customer Support. This action navigates you to TikTok's chat support system, where you can start a conversation about any concerns or questions you have regarding your ad campaigns. When you begin chatting, be concise yet thorough in describing your issue or query. Provide all the necessary details to help the support team understand and assist you effectively. However, in some instances, the initial response you receive might not solve your problem. If this happens, you have the option to downvote the answer. Although it may seem counterintuitive, doing so allows you to proceed to the next step, submitting a ticket. Submitting a ticket is straightforward. After downvoting the initial answer, you'll be presented with a form. Here, fill in all the required details related to your issue. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you. Ensure you describe your problem clearly, provide any relevant account and campaign IDs, and specify what troubleshooting steps, if any, you've already taken. Once you've filled out the ticket form, submit it. Now the ball is in TikTok's court. Wait for them to review your ticket and get back to you. Response times can vary, so it's important to be patient. However, rest assured, TikTok's support team is thorough and will reach out with assistance or to gather more information if needed. While you wait for a response, it's a good idea to continue monitoring your campaigns and preparing any additional information that might help resolve your issue faster once support gets back to you. There you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to contact TikTok Ads Manager for support. Remember, whether you're encountering technical issues, have billing queries, or simply need advice on optimizing your campaigns, reaching out for support is a smart step. TikTok provides several resources and support options to help advertisers succeed on their platform, so make use of them. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating TikTok ads and making the most of your advertising efforts. Happy advertising!